Hello, and this is a quick Farkle breakdown. It's an addiction, and I've added quite a few Farkles. Below you'll find the list and where to buy them if you're interested. If not, and you think I've gone crazy, that is totally cool. Anyways, let's begin. First we have some LED lights purchased on Amazon. They're super bright, around $50 Canadian. And they do the job pretty well. Here's what they look like when they're turned on. I've also purchased these little red lights. I thought it looked cool, but to each their own. Next we have a fork brace by Super Brace, based out of California. I've noticed a huge difference on the handling, crosswinds, corners, highway. Definitely recommended. Next we have these lights purchased from AliExpress from China. They are very bright. I think in total it cost me $75. They come in two. Next we have my compressor horn connected to this horn underneath, which looks like that, and then this horn on the other side connected with a plastic tubing, and this is what it sounds like. Sounds like a truck. Perfect for downtown riding where all the cars are crazy. Next we have mirror extenders. I can see everything behind me. Small upgrade, but I'm very happy with them. And then we have a cell phone holder that connects to the mirror stem. Purchased from AliExpress. Very sturdy, perfect for my cell phone mounting since I can't put it there because of my tank bag. Next we have a tire pressure monitor. Very accurate so far, a couple months in, and it's doing the job quite nicely. Next we have, just for looks, a reservoir cap. I think it was $8 off AliExpress from China. Next we have a tank bag from Givi or Givi. Clips on, clips off. Kind of need two hands to take it off, but it comes with a ring underneath. Very sturdy. Lots of room. Next we have my jacket holder. I was caught in the rain. It was like $20 off Amazon, or you can get one from China for cheaper. I got this chain guard from Cosmo Accessories from Greece, I believe. I think it was $40. All for looks, but does the job. I have this Delkevic Exhaust that I'm happy with, around $400 Canadian all in. Much lighter than the original. It has a nice growl, not too loud, not too quiet. Installation was a bit difficult because of a few leaks, but eventually fixed. Oxford heaters, which everyone seems to have on their bikes anyways. Kind of wearing out, but hopefully I can get another season or two out of them. I have these taper handlebars, I believe ATV mid or high. They're more, I guess you can say, spread out than curving in as the original. I also have a pair of Rocks risers here. Helps me with my posture, sore shoulders and elbows. I also have a voltmeter and USB connection. I'm sure everybody has this as well. I have this thing called Sit and Fly. Very comfortable. It's a seat cover. Easy installation. Around $25 to $30. Very soft. Again, I'm okay with criticism. I know it looks like a mess, but it all works. I have this fuse box from Cosmo Accessories, heated grips, horn, auxiliary lighting, and something else I can't remember. But yeah, helps with the battery. I have this brake light modulator. I'll show the example, or I'll show the test in a second. I also have this Piezo buzzer to remind me to turn off my lights. I should know this by now. This is what it sounds like. Loud and annoying. This quick example of what the brake light modulator does. I have this Madstad windshield installed. It can go up higher or lower depending if you ride the highway a lot or mostly city riding. Zero buffeting issues, very solid, very happy with it. I've also installed these LED lights. Can't really see right now, but they're bright at nighttime, very cheap. Just connect to the brake line or the brake light under there. I also have some LED lights underneath there when the brakes go on. Stay visible during evening hours. Anyways, if this helped anybody out, awesome. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. And hopefully I don't add any more unnecessary gadgets to this wonderful motorcycle. Take care.